Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with the coupon inserts for November 4th of 2018, a Retail Me Not and a Smart Source, and both of them are pretty big. So I'm really excited. A lot of these coupons are going to come in good handy for Black Friday, and just the deals leading up to it, we're just going to have some really good coupons. So, let's just dive right into the Retail Me Not. Keep in mind, Black Friday ads are just coming out, like, all the time. JCPenney, Kohl's, Target, and Belk, for any of you who have a Belk. I know they're in West Virginia. I have a friend who goes to Belk from West Virginia. So, we don't have one here. But if you have a Belk, that ad came out. All those ads came out. Michelle's Frugal Living on Instagram posted a better picture of the Rite Aid Black Fridays. I was able to really look over that and come up with more deals. So thank you to Michelle for posting that. And yeah, a lot of the coupons in these inserts are going to come in handy for Rite Aid Black Friday. So I'm really excited for that. And this Sparkle one is one of them. So I'm going to share deals along the way. Rite Aid for Black Friday is going to run these 2 for $10. And there is a $1.50 off coupon coming in this week's insert. So what you need to do is pick up 2 of the Sparkle paper towels. It says in the ad Sparkle. I didn't even know Rite Aid sold Sparkle, but I guess they do. Hopefully they do. They're 2 for $10, and we have these $1.50 coupons. You're going to use 2 of those. That brings them down to $7 for 2. You get back $2 in bonus cash for buying 2. So that makes it 2 for $5, which is phenomenal. And I'm hoping we get a $1.50 savings start, because we usually do. So if you get all that, you're looking at under $2 for a pack of paper towels, which wouldn't that be insane? So I'm hoping for that. That'd be awesome. $1 for the Dixie products, and these are on Mega Sale at Kroger. These Dixie to-go cups are on the Mega Sale at Kroger, so I'm hoping we get a saving star to go along with that. 50 cents on Vanity Fair. Walmart, I don't know if they still do, but they used to have a pack of Vanity Fair napkins for 96 cents. So after the saving star, you'd be looking at some free Vanity Fair napkins if we get the saving star. 75 cents on 2 Libby's, 100% pure pumpkin or pie mix from the 15 ounce or larger. 50 cents on College Inn. Do we have an Ibotta? I thought we had an Ibotta. I don't know. $1 on Folgers K-Cups. 50 cents on Folgers Coffee. That's a rare coupon. We have 55 cents on 1 Indust product. $2 on 2 Herbal Essence. $2 on 2 Aussie. $1 on some Tylenol. $1 on Neosporin. $1 on more Tylenol. $1 off of Benadryl. And there are matching Ibottas for a lot of these medicines. $2 on Pepcid, Imodium, or Lactaid. $2 on Advil 40 count, Advil PM. $1 on Advil film coated 20 count or larger. $2 on Advil 80 count or larger. $6 on the Contour Next test strips 70 count. $3 on the Contour Next test strips 35 count. $2 on Thermacare. I'm hoping for this. We do have, right now, I'm almost 100% we still do, a $2 Ibotta rebate, and we always get saving stars. So these are $6 just about everywhere at Walmart and Kroger. So $2 coupon, $2 Ibotta, and if we get that $2 saving star, we've got potentially free Thermacare. So I'm so excited for that. 75 cents on some Stainmaster. $2 on a Cetaphil product. $1 on Barilla Calzone. $3 on 2 Cetaphils, and $5 on these Garnier hair color, $2 off of 1. 55 cents on Indust. We saw that one already. That's kind of weird. They looped it in again. $1 on 2 Uncle Ben's flavored grains product. $1 on 2 Quaker products. $1.50 on 2 Renews-Its. Buy 3, get 1 free Renews-It. 2 on 2 Renews-It Pearl Scents air fresheners. $3 on the Sustain eye drops, $6 on 1 Clear Care or Clear Care Plus solution, $3 off 1, $3 on OptiFree, $6 off the twin pack of OptiFree. We have $1 on Axe antiperspirant deodorant stick or body spray. I know Rite Aid is having a deal, 2 for $9, you get $3 back or something, and you use 2 of the coupons. That'd be $1.50 each. That's on the high side for me. I wouldn't pay that unless you're Axe loyal. $1 on Suave Men. 40 cents on Lipton tea bags, K-Cups, liquid or powdered iced tea. $2 on Baby Dove. $2 on Dove Men Plus Care Foaming Body Wash product. $1.50 on Dove Men Plus Care Bar Soap or Body Wash. $1.50 on 1 Pond's. $1 on Noxema. $2 off of Simple. I know my local Walmart had these on clearance for $3, and There was a Fetch Rewards rebate for 75 cents, so that'd be 25 cents after this coupon. $2 on Love Beauty and Planet Body Lotion. $2 on Dove Derma Series. I wish I would have had this a couple weeks ago at Walmart when it was on clearance. $1 on Caress. A lot of these Unilever items are on the mega event over at Kroger, so keep that in mind. $1 on Country Crock. That is $2.49 on the mega event at Kroger right now. So after this, it'd be $1.49. 50 cents on Country Crock Butter Sticks. $1.50 on St. Ives hand or body lotion product. $1 on St. Ives face care or body wash product. $2 on a Tresemme styling product. $2 on a Tresemme dry shampoo product. $5 on True Tresemme Pro Collection shampoo or conditioner. Okay, these are awesome. Now this is, again, there's a lot of if scenarios, but usually these always happen. So the Advil, it says adult Robitussin, Dimetap, children's Robitussin, children's Advil, or infant's Advil. And then the Advil cold and sinus. Rite Aid next week. Rite Aid is having them for $5.99. $3 coupons, and every time usually we get a $3 savings star. So I'm so hoping we get that savings star, and we're looking at free medicine, which is Rite Aid's my favorite place for that. I don't really get free medicine too many other places, but Rite Aid, I'm holding out next week on that. We have $2 on this Advil multi-symptom cold and flu, $2 on the Robitussin honey, and $2 on children's Robitussin honey. $10 on this Ambien stuff. And that is it for Retail Me Not. So let's go take a look at the Smart Source. And as always, thank you to Clip to Save for posting this. I always like to give them credit. They're awesome for posting these. I just ordered some coupons from them, actually, and they are so quick. They were really, really quick to get them to me. So if you're ever in a pinch and need some coupons, order from Clip to Save. 60 cents on 2 Ragu. 40 cents on 4 Del Monte canned vegetables. I am so hoping that Walmart comes through again. Last year we had an Ibotta rebate that's stacked with this, and we got the green beans for like 25 cents. So let's hope, but it might not happen. Now this Campbell's soup, 40 cents off of 4. Don't let this go to waste if you haven't already stocked up. Go to Kroger and get yourself some cream of chicken soup for 39 cents after this coupon. 40 cents on French's crispy fried onions. Okay, this is an epic coupon. $2 on Colgate Total Advanced Optic White. I want to say Walgreens has it for free next week, and I'm sure CVS does also. I'm sure CVS does. I don't have no guarantees on that or anything, but that's a great coupon. Now, Rite Aid has it for 99 cents, which is kind of that's not good for toothpaste, but I'm sure you can make use. This would be 49 cents after this coupon at Kroger. So, in Walmart, also, I don't know how much it is at Walmart. I wish I knew, but the Enamel Health has a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, and after this $2 coupon, might be come in handy for a bonus. 50 cents on Colgate toothpaste, $2 on Colgate mouthwash, 75 cents on 2 Blistex products, 25 cents on a Blistex lip care product, $1.50 on 2 wet ones, 50 cents on wet ones, $1.50 on 2 scrubbing bubbles, 75 cents on scrubbing bubbles fresh gel. Lots of scrubbing bubble coupons. $1.50 on 2 Pleasure Windex. I don't know if these are going to come in handy very much. I know Rite Aid has a lot of these things on sale. 40 cents on K-Rose syrup. 40 cents on this yeast. Kroger has it on 79 cents. So you get them for 39 cents after the coupon. Lots of good deals at Kroger right now. 50 cents on Mazola oil or spray. $1 on this Gorton's Simply Bake. 75 cents on Dole jarred fruit. 50 cents on 2 Dole tropical fruit or Dole mandarin oranges. 50 cents on 3 of the 8-ounce Dole pineapples. $1 on 2 Celestial Seasonings tea. Those are on mega sale, I believe. I'm pretty sure. Kikkoman, we get these coupons all the time. I won't get this. I highly doubt, because I don't think they sell Mueller's pasta around here. But if you have it in your area, 55 cents on 2, and then 55 cents on this organic Mueller's pasta. How can pasta be organic? That's interesting. If any of you know, let me know. I don't understand how pasta could be organic. Isn't it all made out of maybe, I don't know. Let me know. Maybe I'm just clueless. If there's a way that pasta is organic, let me know. That's proof that some of you, if anyone answers, that's proof that some of you are still watching. $1.50 on the Oh That's Good frozen pizza. $1 off of Oh That's Good soup or side dish. $1 on these spices. I've never even heard of that brand. $1 on 2 Spam products. $1 on 2 Hormel Completes. 75 cents on 2 Swanson broths or stocks, 32 ounce or larger. I'm so upset. We always usually got 40 cents off of 4 of the cans of Swanson's broth, but not this time, I guess. $1 on 2 Glade candles or wax melts. If you haven't already seen the deal I did on the Glade candles, you need to go check out that Walmart video because it's insane. $1 on 1 Glade 3-wick candle. And those are more. Those are $4.88 at Walmart. I saw those the other day. $1 on Glade plug-ins, scented oils, or any of that stuff. $1.25 on 2 Halls products. That's a good coupon. And they do have the 10 count at Dollar Tree, so you could score those if you're into going to Dollar Tree. $1 on Tylenol Cold and Sinus. When does that go bad? Last year CVS had a really good deal on that at Black Friday, so I hope they do this year. $1.25 on an Energizer batteries. Okay, Kroger has them for $2.50, so that would be $1.25 for batteries. I'll probably have to go grab some of those. That's a good deal. $1 on Energizer hearing aids. $3 on Eucerin. We don't ever get Eucerin or Aquifer coupons in our inserts where I'm at anymore. $3 on a Tena product. I saw Rite Aid at Senior Day has the Tena. They had the Tena $5 off with the Rite Aid coupon for the Senior Day thing. So if you can use that and use this coupon, you get $8 off. Nivea. We haven't been getting Nivea coupons either. My area is really starting to get less and less of those regional coupons. CoverGirl. We always are getting those now. $1 on Drano. $1 on Selsun Blue. Target coupons. Okay, this is my favorite, probably the whole ad. It's so exciting. Pert and Infusium at Rite Aid on Black Friday, not this week, but at Black Friday sale, are on a deal 5 for $10. So that's basically $2 each when you buy 5. We got $2 coupons right here. Free. Totally free. As long as this is the right ounce. We'll have to check it in the store on Thanksgiving or whatever, but free. That's awesome. So excited. As long as that all works out, that'd be awesome. $1.50 off of this stuff. $2 off of Docalax. $4 off of Zantac. $2 off of any Rolaids, bottle or tablets. Okay. That's confusing because let me check something real quick. Okay, I'm just a little confused because it says $2 on any Rolaids bottle, comma, tablets. So are they meaning, I'm confused because they make little Rolade tablets, but they're not in a bottle. I'm a little confused. It says bottle, comma, tablets. I don't know. I'm not sure what that means, honestly. I wondered if it excluded, or I wonder if this coupon will work on the tablets that are under $2, but they threw that in there about the bottle. I don't know if that means bottle or tablets, or the bottle has to be tablets. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. $1 on Cortisone 10, $1 on Gold Bond, $1 on this nose spray. Publix coupons. And that is it for this week's inserts. So there are some great coupons in here. I would definitely take advantage and get some inserts this week because they're going to really come in handy over these next couple weeks. The deals this week, at least for me, have been on fire with this Ibotta stuff in the Kroger Mega event. It was a phenomenal week. And if Rite Aid looks as good as it is next week and we get some of these rebates, it's going to be another great week. So be sure to stay tuned. I'm always posting new stuff on this channel. Almost every day there's a new video up, if not every day. So be sure to come back, and that's all I have for now. And thank you so much for watching.